it's Kelsey from Paloma, and I'm going to walk you through how to set up an Instagram live sale in our app. So here I'm on my inventory page, and I'm going to start by adding a product. I've got a couple options here. We have auction and shop items. Auction items are claim-based. These are not to be bid on, it's a set price, but it means that when a customer comments for an item, it automatically gets added to their cart and they can't put it back. So we want auction items, and we have a lot of them, so we want to do the bulk upload right there. So we'll go ahead and use that. This just explains how it works, which I'm going to do for you. So we'll go ahead and continue to the form. And here you can see our bulk uploader. So it's going to ask for title, price, and there's a spot for a code. You can see that the quantity defaults to 1, which is great because your items are probably unique. So let's go ahead and add our first item. I'm going to enter my title below. And let's say I have a bunch of vintage tees. So each of them are different. So I'll start with one vintage tee, and maybe let's go ahead and set the price to, let's say, $20. You can see it automatically gave me a code of VI20. It's using the title and the price to generate the code automatically, so that's great. Now let's say you have more vintage tees. You can just go ahead and click add vintage tee below to add a bunch more, and maybe they're all unique and different prices. We'll go ahead and add the prices for those, and those codes will just fill in as we go. You could even have a vintage tee, 2 different vintage tees for $30 and get 2 different codes here. So really quick to just have those fill in. And that makes that really easy. So let's say you have a totally different item, or maybe you have a batch of vintage tees that are kind of the same. We can go ahead and set vintage tee $40, and maybe we have like 10 of them. You can edit that quantity is the idea here, and you can see we got the code. Cool. So we've got all our vintage tees in place. Maybe we now have something else like a hoodie. We can go ahead and click into a new item and hoodie and set the price to $50, and you can see we got a different code there. So super fast to upload all these items, and yeah, we usually average about 1 hour for really 300 items. So if you've got a huge table of unique pieces, you can get those set up really quickly. Once you're done, you're going to click create items at the top, and that's going to just add them straight into your inventory page, and they'll be ready to shop. That's it. Happy selling.